Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes, and don't forget to follow my page on Instagram and like my page on Facebook. Today I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to make a delicious Mediterranean cheese. Over medium-high heat, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Meanwhile, to my mortar, I added half a teaspoon of Mahlab powder and 2 tablets of mastic. Go ahead and crush them together. Then bring 12 ounces of Panela cheese, unwrap it, and then we're going to cut it into large cubes, just like this. Now back to our water. I'm going to add 2.5 teaspoons of salt. I have Himalayan salt, and the mahlab and mastic that we crushed earlier. We're going to wait for it to heat up, not to a boiling point, but just until it's almost about to boil. The water looks ready, so I'm going to add half of my cut cheese. Meanwhile, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of black Nigella seeds. We're going to use these seeds to dip our cheese in when we take them out. You can gently stir your cheese around while it's boiling. Now, you want your cheese not to be firm in the middle. You want it to be a little soft, and that's how you know that it's ready. Remove your cheese from the water and add your next batch. You want to wait for them to cool enough where you can touch them. When your cheese has cooled down a little bit, go ahead and dip your cheese in the Nigella seeds and flatten them just a little bit. And your cheese is ready to serve. Now, to store the cheese, wait for the water to cool down, and then you can add your cheese to any jar or container with the lid, and then add that water and store in the refrigerator. The way I enjoy my cheese is with pita bread and a cup of tea. Put your cheese on your pita and enjoy. Thanks for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.